Welcome. In this video, start and run Android Virtual Device. Now there are different emulators available for Android virtual devices. We are going to use one locally on our system, Android Development Studio by Google. That's what we're going to use. There's other ones like Jenny, which allows you to install a virtual environment that you can run simulations on, but it also makes you install things like a VM. So it runs a virtual machine underneath it. It's from Oracle, not a bad thing at all. We're not going to do that this video. This video is going to be about using Android Studio. Okay, let's go ahead and start it up. Okay, we have our splash screen here from Android Studio. Clicking next, type of setup for Android Studio. You'll see this the first time. I'm going to go ahead and click next, the most common. I'll leave it as light theme, that's fine. You could do development in Android Studio, but we'll be using Visual Studio Code. However, Android Studio is what we'll be using for our virtual device, or Android Virtual Device, or AVD. Verify the settings. What would you like to change, if anything? We have Android emulator. That's what we want. This looks good. Click on Finish. I have a very fast computer, but it still may take some time. Okay, and we are still downloading components and installing different dependencies that we will need for the Android virtual device. It is just finished. Pressing Finish. Here we are on the splash screen for Android Studio. We're going to go to Configure. We're after is AVD for Android Virtual Device Manager. Create a virtual device. You can use different phones. You should recognize these. These are Google standard Pixels. There's Nexus phones, Galaxy Nexus, other phones. The latest Pixel phone is a 4X phone. I'm going to go with a Pixel 3a. Pixel 3a is the last generation of phone before the 4X came out. That should give us a lot of the latest features, but without putting us too far ahead. Phone highlighted. We got the phone we want. I'm going to click Next. Now it's going to ask about the image. What version of Android do we want? Again, here, I'm going to go with Android API level 29. Not too far back, but not the latest and greatest. So I'm going to click on Download, accept the license, pressing Next, allowing the download to start. This may take a while, so I'm going to go and pause the video for you and time travel. Just finished the component installer, pressing Finish. And now we have Q, the version Q of Android operating system downloaded. And press Next. I'm gonna leave it at the default name. That's saying two things to us here, that this Android virtual device is a Pixel 3a phone emulation, and it's running the Android operating system with an API level of 29, which is not the latest, but is very close to the latest. We're going to keep this at Portrait, and we're going to click on Finish. Now we don't have to do the setup again. We can start our Android virtual device. Let's go ahead and click Play. It's starting up, launching the emulator, and here we are. Now it's going to take a while to boot up, just like your Android phone will take a while to boot up, depending on the speed of the machine and the Android version of the phone, and the Android operating system version you chose is how fast it boots up. I'd say our Android virtual machine is up and running. Now let's go ahead and do something cool with it, and we'll do that in future videos.